Hello, we are going to talk about how to write an introductory of an opinion essay with a counter argument. What is a counter argument? Well, before we go there, let's review what an opinion essay is. We write an opinion essay to express our opinion about a certain topic and sometimes convince or persuade readers to agree with it. And then there are three parts in the opinion essay. First is introductory paragraph. We will talk further about this. And then body paragraphs. So it consists of details. And then the concluding paragraph. Now, let's get to the introductory paragraph. So we can always start with a hook or an attention grabber. So it's an interesting sentence about the topic, a quote, trance, a paradox, question, or maybe a historical fact. So here the purpose is to grab the attention of the readers. So that's why you have to make it as interesting as possible. Make sure that they want to read more. And then we have background information about the topic. So here we can go further with facts, definition, and people's opinion. Here we can use this as a counter-argument for your thesis statement later. Because in a thesis statement, it has to be affirmative about your opinion. So the state of opinion must be clear whether you agree or disagree. And you briefly mention the reasons why you think so in the thesis statement, in the same statement. So here you can counter people's opinion. So for example, when people's opinion that internet is actually not good for students, and then you will go with your affirmative thesis statement that actually internet is good and beneficial for students. So this is to counter the people's opinion. Let's discuss further with an example. So here I have an example, and this is the hook. We can start with the hook here. Communication in the 21st century has changed a lot now. So this is about the trends, about communication, how it has changed. And then we have further in the background or information about the topic, which is about the communication. And then it goes more narrowed down into a text message. And then here you go with the thesis statement. This type of messaging is preferable to talking on the phone because it is fast, convenient, and fun. So here we have the counter argument. You can take a look at here. Some people think that we communicate less frequently. Well, actually, here what you have in opinion is like the opposite. It's not like that. You even think that actually this type of messaging is preferable to talking on the phone. So this is to counter what people think. And I hope now you have a clearer idea about how to write an introductory paragraph with counter argument, because you are going to write one later. Okay, so if you have questions, just let me know. See you for now.